What's up, witches, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to head out to Aldi to find some of their spooky food and Halloween decor items. So let's get right into it. So the very first thing that I saw right off the bat walking into Aldi is this Transylvanian red wine cheese aged in a spine-chilling Romanian salt cave. How cool is that? That would be so perfect for your spooky charcuterie board. Pumpkin rolls are one of my favorite fall foods, so gooey and creamy on the inside. I need to try that. And I saw this pumpkin and sage ravioli. I can't imagine how tasty that must be. These pumpkin cookies are in many stores and they're just such a cute classic Halloween treat. This batnik crazy cheddar would also be a perfect thing to add to that spooky charcuterie board. These jumbo pumpkin rolls would be the perfect fall breakfast for friends. Ooh, and I saw some pumpkin spice and salted caramel K-cups, and they also had it in the larger regular size bags as well. Then I saw these super cute spooky mugs. I liked the skull, and they also had one that was black, had pumpkins on it. It was so cute. But then next is my all-time favorite, the jack-o'-lantern. Then I saw these cute family costume onesie sets. This one was a shark and I thought it was so adorable. I saw a couple more as well, perfect for your family. I think this is a dinosaur or a dragon, I wasn't really sure, but it's also adorable. Then the last one that I saw was a skeleton, which is more your classical Halloween look, but so comfy. Pumpkin carving or decorating parties are one of my favorite things to do, and I have these with my friends or family because I don't have children yet, but I can't imagine how fun these would be to set up for your kids' Halloween party or just a fun little night with your girlfriends. They had these very cute and cozy fall socks. I thought that their designs were so cute, and they had them for men and women, which I thought was pretty awesome because most times they only have socks for women. I grabbed some socks that were the men's size for myself, but that's okay, I'll wear them with boots. Then I saw these really pretty string lights. I thought that their decor selection was small, but they had some classical looking decor. They also had these little lanterns that you can line your outdoor area with or sit on your porch. They had these LED candles in them, which I do enjoy those because you're not so worried about a fire hazard. If a trick-or-treater was to knock them over, it won't be an issue. They also had this elegant black pumpkin candle. That would be a great gift for someone. Who wouldn't love these iced pumpkin cupcakes? And some cute little spooky goldfish. They also had this chocolate haunted house cookie kit, and I thought it was the perfect thing to take home for your Halloween party or just a lazy night activity. Then I saw these fall party cakes, kind of like the Christmas trees that they have at Christmas, and these apple cider cookies. Pumpkin pie too. They also had these chocolate Reese ones. And then I saw these cookie decorating sets. I did a ghost one last year, and they're such a fun Halloween night activity you can share with everyone the next day. Then the last thing I saw were these succulents. They're perfect for your bathroom or a small space, and this cool spooky Venus flytrap. So I did bring a few things home. I could not resist from Aldi. So the first thing I got was this cool little spooky mug. It's a jack-o'-lantern and I love him. They also had a ghost and a skull. I got the Transylvanian cheese because it said it came from a Romanian salt cave. The salt content in it, of course. And I thought that was so cool. And I got these pumpkin spooky socks. It says they're men's socks, but honestly, I mean, they will fit, I'm sure. It's a little big. It's okay. They're boot socks. And my favorite thing I got was, it is like a gingerbread spooky house, and I'm going to definitely take this and make it probably on Halloween night, and I will bring you guys along with me while I make this too. It is really cool and I can't wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, girls.